Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mkosi Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Info batani lena 28 lehlala laphana eCape Town sayivele yajuba isingani sayo sitfo sangaseso ngemva kokuthi ichithe lo guy chithele the girl. So kuthiwa Ntombatane uthathe isibuko lesiphukile wajuba lenvodza sitfo sakhe sangasese. So uboshiwe maphoyisa mbophile, but people are really concerned ukuthi if umuntu akuchithela why ungamshiyi, why umbulale, why ujube sitfo sakhe sangasese. People are just saying ukuthi hayibo, it seems like la South Africa nje nakhona lidemoni lelithite lelikhona. Asithi justice to the guy. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. Goodbye.